Hello Internet! With this short video, I will start a video series about my holiday trip to Northern Norway. I made this solo trip in the beautiful summer of 2021. It was such a hot trip, literally, that I have never had similar weather. More about the weather in later videos. My first day was a fast ride to my mother-in-law to Rovaniemi, which is 500 kilometers north of my home. I rode together with my son as a pillion rider, and we met my wife there. I stayed in Rovaniemi for a few days before starting my actual trip. My first solo leg was 450 kilometers, almost straight to the north, from Rovaniemi to Utsjoki. Utsjoki is the most north municipality in Finland, and at the same time it's the north end of Highway 4, the longest highway in Finland. But let's go to the video itself. I'll explain the journey and sights in it. Hello Internet. I am right now on my motorcycle trip to Norway, and I'm riding currently road number 4. It's E4, which goes through the Finland from the south to north, and this is really beautiful and scenic from time to time. I started my trip a few days ago when I rode 620 kilometers with my son from central Finland to Rovaniemi, where my brother-in-law and mother-in-law lives, and my wife was there having her holidays, and I stayed there for a few days, and then I started to ride this trip further on, and my goal is the northernmost city in Finland called Utsjoki, and there I will stay overnight and then continue towards Norway, Northern Norway, and my intention is to ride there for a few days, seeing some places and locations I have never been, and then I will head back home. Currently I'm riding on the shores of Lake Inari, which is second biggest lake in Finland, and it's here in northern Finland, quite north, and it is really beautiful lake. It is really pure water. There's no industry around the lake. Currently we are having this heat wave in Finland. When I left this morning it was 27 degrees, and it went up to 29. Oh well, I was concentrating almost too much on this video, and So one tip for my fellow riders: if you ride in northern part of Finland and you want to relax a little bit, ride behind a big truck, and these trucks can even ram over the reindeers if they come too close. Of course you have to be careful all the time, but it's a little bit more relaxed for a while, for 5-10 minutes, to ride behind a big truck. And when you are riding behind a truck and you have looked enough sceneries, then you can pass by if the road is clear ahead of you.